Water, a living being. We are all born from her, and our entire organism depends on it. No matter our culture, our religion, or countries where we come from, we are all dependent on it. Water doesn't have borders or frontiers. It crosses political, religious, and economical boundaries. And it brings life wherever it goes. Also, our economies, industry, agriculture, health, and our entire well-being, and actually our future, relies on healthy and abundant water streams. I am water, and so are you. Be water, my friend. We have taken care of water with feminine principles for thousands of years. Deep care, reverence, collaboration, and communal water governance are some of them. At Give a Shit, we use heartivism, heart, art, and activism combined to communicate and advocate complex data and science in simplified and understandable way to everyone. Artivism is an amazing tool to raise awareness on too many times overlooked topics as water, sanitation, different kinds of taboos, and also women facing challenges. With artivism, we educate and empower people in a spontaneous way. We use different kinds of creative narratives, engagement methodologies, and humor to simplify the data, which can be heavy and disturbing. We research, dive deep into different waters, ask questions to different stakeholders, and communicate the real needs and rights of water in our future for everyone. No matter from which part of the world you come from, we are all water stewards, and we have common responsibility over water and sanitation. We collaborate with people, nature, and water herself. We believe that only in collaboration of all of them we can guarantee thriving future for all. After all, we were born from water, and we should bring back our feminine principles to her care. Give a shit with us.